Okay guys, this is a quick video. If it does not pertain to you, then guess what? You don't need to watch it. But I've seen that some people are still having difficulty knowing where to get to your Google Meets. Everything, pretty much everything that you need to know, it's in your Google Classroom. Okay? This should be your start for everything. Okay, so this is, this is the My Evil Twin version. Okay, let's say I'm going to, it's time for British Lit. Okay, again, go to the classroom. Except yours will look more like this, my bad. Okay, so you're going to do this to get to the Google Meet. Okay, don't go, you're not going to go through this like a calendar. You're not going to go directly to Meet. Okay, you go here, you use this. Okay, if I, the teacher, have not started it yet, you won't be allowed in, but so far I have never been late to a Google Meet and not started on time. Go here. Okay, it is also your responsibility to show up and do this. Okay, I might give you a heads up in Blocksy, but I'm not going to track people down. Okay, we're a high school. I'm working really hard to get everything in here. So go. Google Meet. Again, if you're not having problems making sure that you get to the Google Meet, cool, man, I'm so glad to see you. All right, it does not apply to you. But for those who do, remember, always go to your Google Classroom first, because this is going to have everything that you need. All right. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.